Welcome to your step-by-step guide on crafting your very own IPTV system effortlessly today. To begin, you'll need some essential hardware like a router, a reliable internet connection, and a set-top box. Next up is choosing the right operating system. We recommend Linux for its flexibility and power. Once you've got your OS ready, let's move on to installing necessary software like VLC Media Player. Configuration is key, so it's time to set up network settings, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted streaming. Now, let's focus on getting content sources. Opt for legal and licensed content to stay secure. For a seamless experience, integrate an electronic program guide that simplifies content navigation. Before you dive into endless streaming, test your setup to ensure all components work perfectly together. It's time for customization. Tailor your IPTV interface to match your style and preferences universally. Enhance your viewing by integrating cloud storage to access and store your favorite content easily. To maximize enjoyment, ensure your internet connection is optimized for constant high-speed performance. Explore the plethora of IPTV applications available, each offering unique features and functionalities. When you're ready for a premium experience, visit 2tv.store for excellent service and performance. We're all set. With your DIY IPTV project complete, immerse in a world of endless entertainment possibilities. Stay competitive by keeping up with updates and innovations in IPTV technology consistently. Keep exploring, keep streaming, and enjoy the limitless power of IPTV created by your own hand.